Hello everyone! Today we'll be making Hokkien Mee. Hokkien Mee is widely known across Southeast Asian countries and it's super delicious. In this video, you will also learn how to make chili garlic paste to go with stir-fry noodles. And as topping with this dish, crispy shallots. For today's recipe, I'm having here peeled and deveined shrimps, carrots cut into thin strips, and choy cut into 1-inch pieces. To get started, let's make chili garlic paste. You can find sweet, sour, spicy, and savory in this sauce. This sauce goes really well with many noodles dishes, especially Hokkien Mee. Into the food processor, we're gonna add in 20 grams of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and lastly, 20 grams of Thai chilies. You can also go for mortar and pestle if you don't have food processor. And now we're gonna blend until everything becomes smooth. Next, we're gonna make crispy shallots. Cut the shallots into thinly slices. When I prepare the shallots, I like to cut them into similar pieces so it is evenly cooked. And then we're gonna coat the shallots with 1.5 teaspoon of rice flour. Fry the shallots on medium heat at oil temperature 130 C. Fry for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, lower to medium-low heat and fry for another 2.5 minutes. When the shallots has turned slightly golden brown, we will remove the shallots from the pan and transfer to the paper towel. The next step, we're gonna prepare the noodles. Here I'm having 200 grams of Yakisoba noodles. This type of noodles is wheat-based noodles. I'm gonna boil this for 1 minute to remove the excess oil. And for stir-fry sauce, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of sweet dark soy sauce, half a tablespoon of mushroom vegetarian sauce, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. On a medium heat pan, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And in goes half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Fry the garlic until fragrant. And then in goes shrimps. After the shrimps are almost cooked, we will quickly remove them from the pan. Then on the same pan in goes the noodles. And then we're gonna fry the noodles on high heat for about 2 minutes. By doing this, the noodles will become a little bit crisp. This will help enhance the flavor of this dish. After 2 minutes, in goes 200 milliliters of water. Add in the stir-fry sauce. Now in goes carrot and choy some. And then we're gonna cover with the lid for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're gonna add the shrimps back into the pan. And then in goes a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. After that, we're gonna turn off the heat and serve. For serving, I like to add about 2 tablespoons of crispy shallots on top. And garlic chili paste on the side. And there you have it, simple and delicious Hokkien Mee. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.